Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford Mustang Convertible 6th generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you need to find the fuses for the convertible top model, you actually have two. Make sure to send you in. We'll explain where they're located and we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses as well, so you don't waste your money and time. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Because our mission here, guys, at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools for your Ford Mustang or any other car you want to save on parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So what we're going to do now, we're going to open the hood, support it right here, and we're going to show you where that fuse is located, and we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses as well. So if you come right here, guys, when you open your Ford Mustang, you're going to have the fuse box right here. In order to open it, you're going to press right here, pull up, and here on the back side you have the fuse numbers and the layout corresponding to what we have specifically here, guys. So the fuses that we need to check first will be, the first fuse will be fuse number 15. This is fuse number 15, right there. So we're talking about this 20 amp fuse, right there in that box here, the middle row, the very top fuse, guys. And then you need to check fuse number 17. It's talking about that fuse here. So these two fuses are for the convertible top. Now, it's very important to test fuses because you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not. And we're going to put a link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, because some of these fuses can be really expensive if you go to the parts store. Another thing, guys, now. Test them always, because you cannot see clearly that they're burnt sometimes, and if you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in, and you spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on convertible top motors and other problems and diagnostics, and you just waste your money and time when all you had to do is test the fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.